requirement. As I explained, a requirement is the one which will give us the clear picture to develop the application or develop the test cases. Okay, I will say here login screen. Login screen requirements. Okay, username field, password field, login button. Okay, now once you pass the name, you will be selecting the requirement type over here. Okay, so what kind of requirement type it is? It's a folder. Okay, functional, we will go with the functional selection over here as of now. Okay, what happens if we select the folder from the drop down? Okay, once you select the folder, okay, so right now we will go with the functional requirement option. This is the page is auto refreshing. And so here the requirement, who created this requirement? The vanilla. So the username will be auto populated over here. Okay, even you can change the name. You can search the name also. If the first name and the last name is given, or else you can use the some string which will be matching. Okay, suppose we'll give will say that this person is assigned. He is the author for this requirement. Okay, on which date it has been created, that you need to select. Okay, you created on this one. Creation time, if you want, you can mention it. Okay, then direct cover. Okay, is it covered or not covered? You can mention it. Not completed, failed, no run, blocked. So what is the coverage for this one? Okay, so as we leave not covered. Okay, and in this one, whether the requirement is covered, reviewed or not reviewed. So as we will go with the review. So what is the release cycle? Okay, once we select the release cycle, the targeted release folder will be auto populated. This value will get auto populate over here, you see. And in the product will be there, the product, if the list of the products will be created by the administrator, that will be shown over here. Okay, now select the targeted cycle. In which cycle you want to go for this requirement? In which cycle you want to go for this requirement? So I want to go for this requirement in this cycle, cycle 1. Click on OK button. Okay, once you select the cycle, this release, the target release will be auto populated. Why? Because this cycle is residing under this targeted cycle. Okay, the cycle is residing under this release. Okay, now click. So if you want to format, if you want to attach anything for that one, you can do it. So you can give the picture and the presentation of the UI screen, how should it look like, you can give. So just you can create a layout over here. Okay, you can pass it up or you can attach it. That depends upon you and the attachments. So in this attachment you can attach the use cases for the login screen. So what is the user name field length should be, what are the boundary value and for the username field, password field, what should be the label for the username field, either it should be username field or a login name, whatever you want to label it. So the use cases will be there. Okay, for that login screen, right, that will be attaching with this one. Okay, so the attachment process we already learned. Okay, let's go and submit this requirement. Once you click on the submit button, the requirement will be created and the same window will be displayed with a new option to go with. Okay, again Here I will say we have already created one, right? Let's see that one. Okay, it is now checked in by me. I created it and I checked it by me, and it will be unavailable for the others who already logged in.